Now, we've been reporting for quite some time on how in the national capital almost a second wave has truly begun. The second wave said to be much more lethal, in fact, much worse than the first one as well. And at this point, keeping that number in mind, the Delhi government has said that schools which were allowed to be opened by the central government from Monday onwards on a voluntary basis, they've put a stop to that. They said the school will remain closed until permanently till the 5th of October. This all as they're still trying to grapple with the virus spread in the capital. The government has also scrapped the decision of partial reopening. So the schools will stay closed for students, but teachers and staff can be called in under this guideline. Online classes, meanwhile, will continue. Akshay now joins us for more on this. Akshay, many would say a very good timed step by the Delhi government that they've actually taken this into account, especially not exposing kids to schools at a time when a second wave is truly there in the national capital. So what is the response, A, that you're getting from the schools about this? And second, even if teachers are going in, what sort of protocols are in place?
Well, Sonal, if you're talking about the schools first and this particular decision, then definitely, as far as the schools are concerned, the private schools, on the other hand, are not very happy about this particular decision. But there are a lot of schools, like the government schools, like the schools run by Delhi government. They are taking this decision in a positive manner. They are saying that the studies are already going on and nothing comes up as far as before the safety of students are concerned. Not all private schools are unhappy about this particular decision. There are some, but there are certain schools that are also welcoming this particular decision, stating that first they will have to put all the things in order before they can, start welcoming students back to their classes. As far as the protocols are concerned, Sonal, so if you are talking about teachers who will be allowed now from 21st of September to go to schools, as far as conducting the online classes are concerned, nothing as such, just all the social distancing norms will have to be maintained by the teachers as well. They will have to keep wearing masks as far as the schools are concerned. They will have to keep on sanitizing their hands. So all the generic norms that have been issued by the government to protect one from the COVID-19 pandemic is concerned, similar kind of norms will have to be followed by the teachers too. The entire guidelines will change, the entire norms will change once the schools and once the Delhi government allows the schools, the students to go back to their classes, and that whether that decision will have to be taken after 5th of October, or will there be a further delaying of the normal classes are concerned, that has to be seen. But at a point in time when more than 4,000 cases are being reported every day in the national capital, this definitely is a very timely and a very calculated decision, especially when we are talking about a second wave, when we are talking about all the healthcare facilities that are on a decline. So definitely this will be a positive news for a lot of students as well as their parents too.